Go. You see the dog?
Doggy. Stay. Go. No, it's alright. Mama, you're just fine.
Hi. Hi. You see the dog? You see the dog? Dog. Good girl. Dog, dog, dog. Where are you going? Oh, just pet the dog.
You're done?
Of course. You giving him a kiss? Oh, that's nice. You see her, Isaiah? Do you try to give him a hug?
She's just getting used to his shoes.
Well, that is nice to share. Is she?
Yeah.
Mackenzie, that's her cookie.
Get back to her.
Give it to Michaela. Michaela's like, excuse me.
Give Michaela the cookie.
Can you give Michaela back her cookie?
The cookie.
Mackenzie, let's give it back to Michaela. Here, Michaela. Here you go. You want your cookie? Give it back to her. You're welcome. Cookie. That's not yours, Mackenzie. Oh. Is she gonna share? She wants your snack. Trade
It's funny how babies are like that.
trade skis. What you have is better. Huh?
I stood up too fast, right there. Are you done your cookie? It's good, huh? She normally only eats half of it anyway.
Oh, then. Perfect. Mackenzie will definitely be there to pick up the leftovers.
Oh, those are
Happily.
nice. Those are from South Africa. I grew up.
I just asked Nick, he didn't answer me. I said, what kind of cookie is that?
Yeah, they're called finger biscuits. Yeah, they're really good for the gums, actually.